Hello friends, this video is how to fix the issue with AccuCheck glucose monitor. The problem is that when you put the strip inside, it shows the display, shows the codes, and then it turns off. Now I already fixed this machine, my machine, so I cannot show you the exact problem, but a lot of you must be surely facing this issue that you put the strip inside and then the screen goes blank after a while. So I'll tell you how to get this done very fast. All you have to do is, you see this sensor, there's a sensor cover, and below this cover there is a sensor for the machine. You got to open this up, and this sensor, you have to clean it up. So once you get this cleaned, I'm sure your machine will be up and working. Give it a shot. Most of us would be thinking that the battery maybe is gone bad or there's some problem with the machine, but before taking a decision on replacing it, I suggest you try this trick, and most probably it should work. So I've already fixed this machine, so now when you put a strip inside, uh, I've got it working. Yeah, so here it is. So this is the trick. So open this cover, clean the lens, and that's all. Okay, I hope this video helps you, because I couldn't find the solution anywhere on the internet. I'm not a YouTuber, and I thought that I should post this video so everyone can benefit from this. I hope it helps, and please drop your comments and let me know that if it was helpful to you or no. Thanks.